Here are a few inspiring stories of individuals who have built successful businesses or achieved financial independence. Damon John Fubu. Damon John started his business by sewing and selling hats in his neighborhood. With determination and a knack for entrepreneurship, he built Fubu into a leading urban fashion brand. He faced numerous challenges, including rejection from banks and investors, but he persevered and eventually achieved success. Anita Roddick, the Body Shop. Anita Roddick founded the Body Shop with a small initial investment. She emphasized ethical business practices and natural ingredients, which resonated with consumers and helped her business grow into an international success. She faced challenges such as competition from larger companies and negative publicity, but she remained committed to her values and built a successful brand. Sarah Blakely Spanx. Sarah Blakely started Spanx with $5,000 of her savings and a fax machine. She faced numerous rejections from investors and retailers, but she refused to give up. She eventually found a manufacturer willing to produce her product, and Spanx became a huge success. Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone is a successful entrepreneur and author who has built a multi-million-dollar business empire. He faced numerous challenges early in his career, including bankruptcy and addiction. He overcame these challenges through hard work, determination, and a positive mindset. Mr. Money Mustache. He and his wife achieved financial independence in their early 30s by living frugally and investing wisely. They faced challenges such as societal pressure to consume and the fear of missing out, but they remained focused on their long-term goals. These are just a few examples of individuals who have achieved success through hard work, determination, and perseverance. Their stories can inspire us to overcome our own challenges and achieve our own financial goals.